Today, I'll show you how to use JQL, or Jira Query Language, for beginners. JQL is a search language inside Jira that helps you find specific issues faster. Instead of manually clicking through projects, boards, and filters, you can type a query and ask Jira to show exactly the tickets you need. First, open Jira and log into your account. Go to Filters, then choose View All Issues or Search Issues. Now switch to JQL mode if Jira is showing the basic search view. A simple JQL query usually has three parts: a field, an operator, and a value. For example, project equals WEB. This means Jira will show all issues from the project with the key WEB. You can also search by status. For example, status equals in progress. This shows tickets that are currently in progress. To search by assignee, type assignee equals current user. This shows issues assigned to you. You can combine conditions using AND. For example, project equals web and status equals to do. This shows only tickets in the web project that are still to do. You can also use OR to search for multiple possible values. For example, status equals to do or status equals in progress. If you want to sort results, use order by. For example, project equals web order by created desk. This shows web project issues with the newest tickets first. After writing your query, press Enter or click Search. If the results look useful, click Save as to create a reusable filter. And that's it. You now know the basics of using JQL in Jira. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.